And I think that one of the comments that Mr. Thompson made concerning listening, there was a council meeting where one of the council members had asked to speak. He wasn't given the courtesy of a second from not one of the other 6 council members. Something wrong with that process. So you're probably wondering why I'm wearing these white gloves. My good friend gave them to me, and she's one of the seniors that's had a really hard time, like a lot of folks, trying to make ends meet. And these are for the people in Lake Forest Park. I'm taking my gloves off, and I want to tell Mr. Thompson something. The voters didn't say no, they said hell no. And the campaign flyers that Mr. Thompson says is that he's listening. Well, I haven't heard that yet. I haven't heard the listening being translated into doing something. $1.7 million in cuts. There's some funny numbers going on in creative accounting, and they're double counting some things. So I think you all need to know that. There's been people looking into that. Mr. Thompson's also posted that I'm against having the Lake Forest Park Police. That's again untrue. I did when 1998, when I had looked at the city budget, had proposed looking into our dispatch because we were paying way too much. And as one city council member, I brought this up, and it was voted by the council at that time, and it was passed. That's not saying that I'm against the Lake Forest Park Police.
Thank you both very much. I'd like to acknowledge our timer.